I'm David Steele from Advanced Animal Care, Mount Pleasant. A lot of our clients ask us questions about behavior concerns, and so we thought we'd write a few of these down and try to answer some of them for you today. Jessica's here to help me with these, and she's going to start us off. Jessica, what's our first question?
Dr. Steele, why is addressing dog behavior problems early on so important?
It's a really good question, and think of it this way. Every time that your dog has an opportunity to express that behavior, it's kind of like practicing. And even though practicing doesn't make it perfect, it definitely can make it permanent. So the more times that they do this behavior, the more difficult it's going to be for us to create some kind of change and have some outcome that we would desire.
Are certain breeds predisposed to behavior problems?
That's kind of a sticky question. So on the one hand, we know that dogs have not been able to breed on their own. They've been chosen selectively, specifically by people, to have certain traits. So especially say the working breeds, your herding dogs and so on, they will have some consistent behavior patterns. Okay? But still, even when we look at those individuals, they're still unique individuals because their life experiences and what they've learned also will play a big role. So it's not hard fast. The way I like to put it is we all have those days when we at some point say that we're not going to behave like our father. And then when we're parenting and we say something like, because I told you so. Right? So we're not doomed though. Yeah, there's going to be some tendencies that we will always express that's inherited from our ancestors, but we also can learn and grow, and we're each our own unique individual. So that's how we play for our animals as well. The real concern I have is when we start to make overgeneralizations of groups. And this can be a real problem, say, with breed-specific legislations. Right? Having bans on pitties or Dobermans in apartment complexes or municipalities has been consistently shown to not keep the community safer. So we can't make a judgment based on their physical appearance of how they'll behave. We still have to treat each one of them as their own unique individual.
Can my dog's behavior problems resolve on their own?
Maybe. I guess it kind of depends on the behavior and what was causing it. But most cases, if a problem behavior is developed, there's things that's going on in their life that are frequently triggering that behavior. And unless we do something to change that, the behavior is not likely going to change.
When should I seek professional help for these dog behavior problems?
The really short answer is the sooner the better. Because of that opportunity for practicing and further ingraining the behavior, the sooner that we intervene is going to be giving us our best opportunities to really have a positive outcome.
What can I do to reduce my dog's chances of developing behavior problems?
That's a really good one too. A lot of that's going to go into their entire life. So making sure you're feeding them a well-balanced, complete diet in the right amounts, providing them the environment they need to be healthy, so as far as exercising and getting to express their behaviors and normal dog behaviors, and providing them good social structure at home can go a long way in preventing behavior problems.
Can getting my dog spayed or neutered help with their behavior problems?
Maybe. I'd say that the majority of the behavior problems that have historically been assigned to their reproductive organs, it has really not been proven over time. Very few direct causes from testosterone or estrogen and fluctuations of those hormones are going to result in these big problems. So it may take some of the equation, some of the variables out of the behavior, but likely not going to resolve the behavior. So those are all really great questions. And if you have a problem behavior with your dog, we're here to help you out. Just reach out to us either through our website or give us a call.